So today let us understand about mark-wise answer writing. What is this mark-wise answer writing? Suppose you take up with a question. If that question is given for 1 mark, how your answer should be? If it is for 2 marks, what should be your answer? If it is for 4 marks, how you will be writing? So for the same question, how you can write according to the marks, what points you have to show up. So let us take up with one example to understand what is mark-wise writing. So I have taken up with the question, what is the nutrition in amoeba? What is the nutrition in amoeba? If it is given as a 1 mark question, what you will write? Nutrition in amoeba is holozoic. Nutrition in amoeba is holozoic. That is for 1 mark. So 1 mark questions usually need an answer in 1 point. Okay, and that should contain all the scientific terms, whatever that are designed for that answer. Coming to 2 marks, if the same question is asked for 2 marks, you will write the first point saying that the nutrition in amoeba is holozoic. Also, you will write down one more point that it will engulf food with the help of pseudopodia, that is phagocytosis, and forming a food vacuole in which the digestion will take place, which is called as endocytosis. So we have added up one more point to the previous point. So this will give you your 2 marks answer. Suppose if this question is for 4 marks, to these 2 points you have to add on 2 more points. Okay, the digested food is absorbed and it is assimilated. The digested food is absorbed and it is assimilated for energy growth and repair. Okay, and the undigested food is adjusted out. It is sent out. It is adjusted out through the body surface. So like this, you include 4 points which will give you your 4 marks answer. Also, if the question is given as an essay question, let it be for 4 marks or 5 marks, you have to draw the diagram. A neat labeled diagram always is preferred for an essay answer. Okay, so you know how easily you can draw the diagram of nutrition in amoeba. So first you will draw the amoeba, which will be having irregular shape and a nucleus like this. Okay, and we are showing the nutrition part. So you draw the next diagram, wherein we will be showing the food particles present around it. So this is the second diagram, wherein we are showing some food particles that are present around it. In the third stage, what you are doing, you will show that the pseudopodia are engulfing the food particles, and the food is drawn inside that, forming the food vacuole. So you can draw like this. And in the fourth stage, what you can draw? You can draw the food being enclosed within the food vacuole. So we are drawing the nucleus is there, and then let us draw the food vacuole wherein the food is all engulfed there. Then you can show that the food is getting distributed. Then what we can show? The food is getting assimilated. In food vacuole there will be digestive enzymes which will digest this food, and the food is all getting distributed throughout the cytoplasm by the process of diffusion. Then in the last, actually you can show the process of egestion. You can draw the amoeba, and we can show that the undigested food is coming out. So this is the undigested food. So like this, you can draw the diagram in an easy way, and you can just link up these like this with the arrows, so that one after another each step follows. You can also give some random labeling. Label this as amoeba, and these are the food particles. Then you can label the pseudopodia or the false feet. We will label the pseudopodia here. Then followed by this, you can label the food vacuole, and we can show the egestion process. So like this, you can draw the diagram if it is for 4 marks. And one more thing, what you have to remember is, anytime whenever you are writing your answer, do write them in the form of bullet points and put a star mark for each point. So previously you were not able to find the points clearly, but once if I keep some arrow or asterisk like that, you can see it more clearly, as you can see. So this is the first point, this is our second point, this is our third point and the fourth point. And most importantly, you start underlining the keywords which are very, very important. So during correction, an invigilator will check for the keywords. If the keywords are there, you are sure to get your marks. So if it is for 1 mark, the keyword is just Holozoic. If it is for 2 marks, you have endocytosis, another term that has come up, and also you can underline pseudopodia. Okay, and in the third one, the digested food is absorbed and it is assimilated for energy. And in the fourth one, you can say that the undigested food is adjusted out. So like this, if you underline the key points, the keywords, okay, invigilator just will find all the keywords in an easy way and you will get your full marks for sure. So you have to draw the diagram, okay, which is related to your question always, irrespective of whether it is asked or not. So take a good space and then draw the diagram, give the label on the top as nutrition in amoeba, and try to give the labeling, if at all it is present, for that particular diagram. And in this way, you have to conclude it for the 4 marks or the essay answer for 5 marks. So this is how the same question, okay, if it comes for 1 mark, what you have to write? If it is for 2 marks, if it is for 4 marks, you should have a clear idea. Like this, if you have an idea of the concept, whatever you have studied, you can write the answer for any mark question. Let it be 1 mark, 2 mark, or the essay answer for 4 or 5 marks. So hope you followed and try to follow whatever instructions I am giving related to, okay, the writing part of the answer. Thank you.